Well, that's what the bananas look like after the wind, folks. A little ripped up, maybe a little worse for wear. And we did lose the top of one of our coast redwood trees, but that happened before as well, about a decade ago. And bananas are actually looking not too bad. So we haven't had any frost yet. It is the end of October. And so you can see the leaves here. They look pretty darn flawless. There has been frost in other parts of the island, but at this end of the rock, it comes a lot later. So stay tuned for a video in November. I'll shoot a video of these, and you can see how they are doing in November. We're getting very close to November, and Musa basjoo are alive and well and thriving. Thriving. Thanks for watching.